Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeevna and I make videos on hairstyling, fashion and DIYs. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to be updated on my videos. So after longest time I'm making this video. I took a break from YouTube and here I am back with another video. So this coming to the video is all about hairstyles for straight and thin hair girls. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. And these hairstyles can be styled for any events and on any Indian wear. Bye bye. See you in my next video.